everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to recover Sephora password. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in sephora.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Sephora. So if you've forgotten your password and if you want to recover it, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. So if you have forgotten your password, simply click on this option, forget password. Now you'll have to enter the email address associated with your account. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after entering the email address, click on the send email option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here the password reset link will be sent to your email. Simply click on the OK option. Now go to the new tab. Click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail will be open. Sephora has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this email you'll be able to find the option for reset password. Simply click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. All you have to do is enter the new password and confirm it. So click on the field of new password and enter the new password for yourself. Your password must contain 6 to 12 characters. Now confirm the new password. Now you can see over here your password reset has been successful. Simply click on the OK option. Now you can see over here your password will be reset and you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you recover Sephora password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.